Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to change a headlight bulb on a Jeep Cherokee Latitude. First, gather your tools, including a Phillips head screwdriver and the correct replacement bulb, typically an H11. Always ensure your vehicle is completely off and the engine has cooled down to prevent any burns or electrical issues. You'll be working near the front wheel, so having enough space is helpful. This process is straightforward and can save you a trip to the mechanic. To access the headlight bulb, begin by turning your front wheel fully inward, either left or right depending on which side you are working on. This provides crucial space. Next, locate and remove 3 plastic push pins and 2 Phillips head screws that secure the front portion of the wheel well liner. Gently pull back the liner to reveal the rear of the headlight assembly. You do not need to remove the entire liner, just enough to reach inside. Once you have access, locate the back of the headlight bulb. It will have an electrical connector attached. First, disconnect this connector by pressing the release tab and pulling it straight off. Then, grasp the bulb itself and twist it counterclockwise about 1/4 of a turn to unlock it from the housing. Carefully remove the old bulb. Take your new bulb, avoiding touching the glass, and insert it into the housing, twisting clockwise until it locks securely. After the new bulb is securely in place, reconnect the electrical connector, ensuring it clicks firmly. Now, carefully push the wheel well liner back into its original position, aligning the holes. Reinstall the 2 Phillips head screws and the 3 plastic push pins to secure the liner. Finally, turn on your vehicle and test the new headlight bulb to confirm it is working correctly. This completes the replacement process, and you are ready to drive safely.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.